Ooh, my camera won't stand still. There we go. Hello. I said that I'd show off my flapping bird collection that I've made. I guess I'll start off with the biggest. This is the biggest. It's pretty huge. I'm gonna move my camera. Sorry about that. If I move my camera, you might be able to see a bit better. There we go. Yeah, this is the biggest, and yes, it does actually flap. I guess after seeing the biggest, you'll want to see the smallest. That's this tiny little thing. Yes, that's my smallest one. And then my brother instantly nicknamed this the canary because it's so bright and yellow. I'm just going to randomly start flapping birds around now while I talk about how geeky and weird I am. Yeah, well actually no, I can talk about that in the next video, so see ya.